Hey everyone, if you're keeping track at home, this is tip number 4 of 10 tips to protect your business. You'll notice today I don't have my normal setup with the black background. I got tired of putting that up. So instead I got George and the boys looking over my shoulder. Tip number 4 in 10 tips to protect your business are the importance of client service agreements. Now, this is a huge mistake that I see a lot of young starting businesses make. They don't have an agreement in place for the client. So what should actually go in this document? What goods or services you're providing, what quantity, what time frame, what's the cost of it, how long till completion, what's the timeline for completion or for delivery of services or goods. Also, if there's a dispute, how is that going to be settled? And if there's a default on that agreement, what fees can you charge? Can you charge just the regular fees? Are you going to be able to collect costs and attorney's fees if you have to bring a lawsuit in the court? So if you don't have something like that specifically outlined as far as, especially with attorney's fees, you're not going to be able to collect them if you're successful in a court action against the client. Now, the hope is that you put something like this in place to carefully outline and also to provide guidance for a judge if a dispute were to happen, to where they can clearly look at the document and determine how a dispute's going to be solved. But 9 out of 10 times, things are going to get resolved prior to they get to that point. And again, your agreement is the most important thing that you have between you and the client to outline specifically the delivery and all the things I was just talking about. So next time, I'm going to talk about the importance of succession planning. If an owner no longer wishes to serve in the capacity as the owner and they want out, they want to sell their business, they no longer want to serve, or if they die unexpectedly, how is that going to be dealt with succession planning? So I will talk about that next time. Until next time, take care.